Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to talk a little bit more about GameStop today, and what I think. There's two possible scenarios right now that are running through my head. One is actual the super stonk scenario, which is everybody on super stonk is saying that, or on Reddit is essentially saying that this might be the last day of the cycle pump, which is usually what happens is when shorts cover, or at least what the theory is, right? When shorts cover, we pump for 2 days and then we drop super extremely hard on the third day, which is usually a Thursday, which is today. The second theory that I have is from one of the videos that I just released, which is essentially, I think that we're essentially running on a 3 week pump, which is exactly what has happened every single. We look at the year back, right? We'll look at. I mean, I guess I could do the year. Every single one of these pumps or any single one of these rallies, like this one right here, every single one has lasted about 3 weeks. Um, if I had to actually guess on where we are now, I actually think we're on the beginning of the first week, right? I actually think we're on week one. I do not think that we're on like week three, week four, week five, whatever. I think this is the first week of one of these essentially, big pushes to the upside. And I think that for now, that's what I am inclined to believe. We're staying steady between, with like 140 ish. This is essentially like the straightaway sideways movement that we're on with the path that we're on right now. It's really just sideways trading. All we did yesterday was trade sideways, right? We actually, the initial pump happened after hours 2 days ago. And then yesterday, all we did was really just trade sideways. We got almost to 150. I'm pretty sure we almost hit 150, or did we hit? Oh, we did actually cross 150. We had a high of 150.93. That's actually really good. So we did break that 150 barrier, but essentially all we did was just trade sideways, right? I'm not really doing a TA here. This is more of just kind of an explanation. Um, I think that if we do not dump today by 50%, right? I think that if today we don't drop to something stupid like $100 or whatever, I think the 3 week cycle is on. I think that this is the first week of the 3 week cycle, and I think we're gonna peak, not this week, but 2 weeks from now, which is I think April, the week ending in April 8th. I think is gonna be the third week. Two scenarios right now. Either today we dump by 50% and we go all the way back down probably to like $100 or whatever, or we stay the course. Nothing happens today. We trade sideways and we run all the way up to potentially maybe 180, 190 plus, right? That's with the consensus that today we're going to drop 50% or something stupid like we have for every single one of these, right? So we hit peak, boom. Next day we close that 213, and then we just kept dropping, right? Same thing here, right? We hit peak. Next day you drop to 220. So we had to drop, I don't know, I'd say like 50, I don't know, the full $30 at least today. If we don't drop the full $30 today, I think I think we're in the first week of that 3 week rally. So I'll see you guys later. Oh yeah, by the way, these are my positions right now. I mean, I only have one share of GameStop. I used to have like 100 plus shares of GameStop, but I sold everything because I wanted that money to go somewhere else. This is where I'm at right now. I think at peak, I have 6 contracts of GameStop. I think at peak these were worth. I was at 300 and something percent gain, and yesterday my total return, my actual profit was close to. I think it was between 15 to 1900. Do not remember exactly how much they were worth. At peak high, they were worth each 288. So whatever 288 is times, let me see. Oh, sorry, 306. So whatever 306 is times six, I can't, like $1,800 or something. But yeah, at peak highs, these are worth $1,800. Haven't sold anything yet. I'm gonna see how today plays out. If today we manage to stay flat around this area, I'll probably sell 1 or 2 contracts to get my initial money back and let everything else ride. I also picked up some AMC calls, which I'm actually surprised that I made money off of this, because usually me buying AMC is a pretty good indication of where AMC is going. So if I'm usually long AMC, it tanks. If I'm short AMC, it fucking runs, right? This is the first time that I actually makes something. So yesterday I ended up buying, I think 3 contracts. I bought 3 contracts of AMC. I actually sold one yesterday to get my full money back, or partly of my money. I don't remember how much I sold. Yeah, so I spent uh buys, yeah, bought two of them. Is this? It doesn't even say. Yeah, there we go. So I bought three contracts, two for $62, and then I bought another one for 49, and then I sold one contract for $109. So I essentially have roughly, like I sold, I made back my money on two of these calls, which I'm perfectly fine with. And I'm going to let the rest of everything, I'm going to let the rest of it ride. I'm going to see what happens with AMC. I actually think AMC has a much bigger potential for multiples as opposed to GameStop. GameStop premium can go extremely high, but that's only because it's already at a high premium. But I think AMC, if it actually runs, I think it can run, AMC doubled right now would be $300. AMC doubled would be $40, right? And I think AMC, if we actually end up pushing, I think AMC can see something like 60, 50, $60, where GameStop highs can possibly be capped at maybe like 250 or so, potentially 290. So as far as multiples go, I think AMC has the bigger multiple return possibility as opposed to GameStop, but GameStop can do crazier things, I think, than AMC. But we'll see what happens. Just a quick update on my positions, at least for GameStop and AMC, and what I think is happening today with GameStop, or potentially can happen today with GameStop. So again, just to kind of reiterate what I said, GameStop, if we do not drop like a full 50% today on GameStop, then I'm going with my 3-week theory of this is a 3-week pump. And I think that, peak high is going to be hit the week of April 8th, right? If we drop something stupid today, like back to $100, then I think this is the peak, and I think we're not going to do anything else. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.